Yeah, hi guys, if you have never heard about locked pairing or forced pairing on a wireless Lavalier microphone, then we are in the same boat. I've already tested about 10 or 15 wireless Lavalier microphones in the last 5 years and I've never seen this function, so I wanted to show you that and make you aware of that this function is now available. I guess it's coming more and more. Or maybe this manufacturer tried just something, but it's very unique, at least at the moment. So how does it work? We can see now we have the receiver here plugged in into USB-C on this phone and it's flashing green because it's not connected. And so we take out the first microphone, starts blinking green, and now both are solid green, so they are connected. And now usually what happens when we are using the second microphone, you can see flashing green short and then solid green everywhere, so both of the microphones are connected. If we don't want to have this for some reason, then we can use this lock pairing button. We push here 2 times and then it shows blue in the center. And what happens now when we take the second microphone out, it keeps blinking or flashing green forever, won't connect. Here you can see still only one green LED here, so it's only receiving the audio from this microphone and not from this one here, even though it was pre-connected. And so we can remove the lock with double pressing, and so after just a second it will connect. So this will prevent from connecting any other microphone. I've never had any problems, but maybe in dense cities or so, if you're recording and a lot of people are around, maybe this could be something. Now we can even lock it when both of the microphones are connected. So when I double click again, you can see now we have both microphones connected and the blue light, which is also a lock. I don't know why this is needed. We have 2 microphones. We cannot connect a third microphone, but maybe if somebody would be around, it could switch to another microphone. I don't know. So I don't see really the need for that, especially in the 2 microphone mode. But in this situation with just 1 microphone connected and the receiver for 2 microphones, this could be definitely something maybe very helpful in dense cities or so. Would be really interesting to learn from you what you think about that. Is that something you are interested to see in such microphones or not? Just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And so hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and thanks for watching.